Good evening, everyone. Jeremy with J&K Fun Tips. Today we're going to be showing you the GoPro attachment for a dog harness. So we bought a GoPro finally because we wanted to make some videos with it, and wife's been bugging me about getting an attachment for the dog harness so they can walk around with it. So this is what it looks like. So got it on Amazon, pretty cheap. The thing's like 30 some dollars. So it comes in a little bag like this. Your dog harness, large dog, black. It's labeled. So you open it up. This got here actually really fast. So I ordered this on Wednesday or Monday, I think. Monday or Wednesday, something like that. And it was supposed to be here, it said on the 10th. Well, it came yesterday. So, very happy with the shipping. Like 2 to 4 days, whatever it was when you ordered it. So, you put this on your dog. So I assume this moves over a little bit, I'm guessing. It's centered. That. So I'm not sure which one's the bottom, which one's the top, but I think it's this way. So your GoPro attachment goes up here. Your GoPro attachment goes up top on this part, like that. Slide it, you pop it in, and it locks in with these little tabs here, so it doesn't fall off. It's nice, because GoPros are a little expensive, especially the new one. And I'll show you a video on that later. For a deal that I found, it's awesome. So yeah, you hook it up, then you put this onto here, like that, or whatever attachment you want to use for it. And yeah, then you just put your GoPro mounted up here on the top or on the bottom, whichever one you want. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, I guess recommend get one of these, make fun videos with your dogs when they run around and stuff. So it's kind of cool.